Okay, we get a lot of questions about installing these in cold weather. I was hoping it'd be a little colder today. It's about 40, the ground's 40, but it was sunny out a minute ago, so the top is still, it's 46 degrees. You really want your top to be about 70. If it was 50 and the sun was out blasting and you had a black top, it would probably absorb enough heat to be fine. If it's colder than that, what you want to do is what we're gonna do right now. We put a packing blanket up here, up on top. We close the door in it so it doesn't blow off. Can you show that? Maybe from right here. So we put a blanket, a couple of them. We're going to try to hold the heat in, and what we're going to do is we're going to start the Jeep, and we're going to run the heater on full blast. And the heaters in these things are awesome, you know that. We have the actual panels themselves sitting in here, so they're going to warm up. The top has already been prepped. So you want to do all the prep work on your top first, then sit your panels inside, start your Jeep, and just let it run for 15 minutes with everything on full blast. Then we're going to go back and see. Okay, we've let the Jeep run for 10 minutes maybe from cold start. And it was 46 in the beginning. It is 80 degrees right now. If you let your Jeep run for 20 minutes and it was really cold out, it would be 100 degrees in here. The panels are 85 degrees, so the tape's going to be that warm. So we turn the heater off so you can hear what I'm saying. So that's how you do the cold weather install, is prep your top first, is, get all of that done, put your panels in your seats, turn your heater on full blast, let it sit for a little while. If you have a packing blanket, throw